United World Leaders Summit, Davos event during the World Economic Forum week. We came to Davos with one simple intention: to listen and to give voice. As the Alatra International Public Movement, we joined a global gathering where ideas meet responsibility and where the future is not discussed as an abstraction, but as a shared obligation. In a world marked by division, uncertainty, and accelerating risk, we met people who refuse to stand aside. People who believe that leadership is not a title of power, but a responsible choice. At the center of these conversations stands United World Leaders, Lives Amplified, a vision of cooperation shaped by action, not promises. A new kind of international platform built to turn dialogue into implementation and intention into measurable impact. Its mission is profound and urgent: to prevent conflict before it begins, to strengthen trust between nations, and to elevate the dignity and well-being of humanity everywhere. This is a space where heads of state and ministers meet innovators, investors, humanitarians, and scholars. Where experience meets courage, where influence meets accountability. United World Leaders is more than a forum. It is a living ecosystem for diplomacy, cooperation, and global alignment, enabling nations and institutions to move forward together with credibility and purpose. In Davos on 20th January 2026, this vision took a concrete form in a focused dialogue on one of the most defining challenges of our time: artificial intelligence. How humanity can avoid an Oppenheimer moment in artificial intelligence, a point where technological power advances faster than our capacity to govern it with accountability. At the event, we heard voices that carried more than ambition. They carried responsibility, a shared understanding that the cost of inaction is no longer acceptable. Through our interviews and media coverage, we captured moments of clarity when people chose honesty over comfort and collaboration over competition. Because the future is not decided by circumstances, it is decided by people, by those who dare to act, by those who amplify what truly matters. And those voices must be heard.